Cause this sorry ass nigga wants to go jump off that cliff over there. He ain't about to do shit. Pumping each other's head up. Why got it all down? Look at this cheesing ass nigga. Dude, are y'all gonna go or not? Dude, y'all wasting time straight up. Fucking Mexican ass nigga. Look at this. Look at this sorry ass nigga. Look at this sorry ass nigga right here. Look at this nigga. This nigga's from the great outdoors. Dude, look, he could have went over there where that lady is. And she's like getting in right there, bro.
That's where he's going.
This nigga's too sorry. That nigga straight fucking man versus wild and oh man. It's tight. Nah, I'm gonna come and do it the right way with swimming trunks. Y'all just don't know about my side mission. You need to be trying to go pull that girl over there. He got tired already. That nigga's trying to do backpedal. What the fuck? Why is he trying to backpedal, my man? This nigga's trying. That nigga. He said he had to take a breathe. Look at him. He gave up. That nigga gave up. Ooh, he hit some solid, bro. Ooh, he got up too fast, right? He definitely hit some ground, bro. Right. Here he goes. This nigga swallowed. The nigga just fell down. Look at him, he just hurt himself. Nigga just fell down. Oh my god. Look. He's tired. He's tired, nigga.
He ain't gonna make the wire climb.
The hardest part is where the beer play. Look at him. This nigga's too soft. He's about to bust it. He's about to bust it. This nigga's...
He did it, dude.
Oh my god. I'm a mountain climber at heart, bro.
That's a good stuff he jumped off.
You heard him?
Yeah.
What you gonna do? Jose trying to run full burst, look.
I don't want to climb up the rope either.
Look at these niggas, look how they went across, look. That's the real way. Look. Ooh. I wanna go do it, bro.
Huh? You wanna go do it?
I don't got no clothes though. Fuck, that sucks.
Come on, swim with you, come on.
Fuck no, bro. That water's gross.
No, it's not.
It's gonna make my hair all nasty. That's the only reason. I would go though. I'll go wash my hair on it. Oh shit. Jose, come on, bitch ass nigga, scary ass. He is, look. That nigga's hard. Put his glasses on and everything, look.
He don't have no glasses.
It looks like it. Look at him. He don't even know where to jump. He's asking that dude for some advice.
He can point exactly where he's pointing. Oh yeah.
Look at him, almost ran it. Watch him slip his foot. Nigga did it. That nigga Jose's a soldier. Soldier of truth. He's gonna be happy. He's gonna tell everybody this story when he gets back. He's gonna call Jasmine on the ride home. Baby, I jumped off a cliff today. Ooh. Alright, Jose, you gotta come back. Only one jump. Hurt his knee. Look at him, his knees hurt. You can tell because he's acting like a bitch. Alright.
I need to get in the spot where it's not so muddy.
Look at them, no matter where they go, it's muddy, dude. Bronco